GetResponse does not provide a direct method to withdraw funds, as it is primarily an email marketing platform, not a payment gateway. However, if you are looking to withdraw money from GetResponse, you may be referring to affiliate earnings or payment for services like webinars or sales funnels, which GetResponse offers through affiliate programs. Here's how to withdraw affiliate earnings or commissions. Log into GetResponse. Visit the GetResponse login page and log in with your credentials. Access the affiliate program. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Navigate to the affiliate section from the menu. Check earnings. In the affiliate dashboard, you can check your accumulated earnings and commissions from referrals, signups, or sales. Set up payment method. GetResponse usually pays affiliates through PayPal or bank transfers. Ensure your payment details are correctly set up under the payment settings. Request a withdrawal. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can request a withdrawal directly from the affiliate dashboard by clicking on the withdraw button. Confirm and receive payment. After requesting, GetResponse will process the payment, typically within a few business days.